So now we're gonna move on to the model it. I'm gonna be using my clock and I'm gonna show you how this minute hand can be in the, kind of like the middle of your clock. So think about your pie or pizza. This is half of my pie or pizza. And if you look here on your worksheet, it's gonna show that it's shaded. Okay, so my clock is gonna be different from your clock, of course, but on here it's showing it is shaded. So I wanna show you something really cool. As I move my minute hand, my hour hand is following. So that's something that your clock does automatically for you. But what I want to show today is I want my hour hand to be halfway between my 9 and my 10. So I have my hour hand in between the 9 and the 10. It is asking me, it is half past what? So think about the hour that is half past. Is it half past your 8? Is it half past the 9? Half past the 10? Half past the 11? Which number is it half past? Go ahead and write that down on your paper. If you said it was half past the 9, you are correct. Go ahead. And if you did not have that correct answer, go ahead and erase it. But go ahead and put it's half past the 9 because it is half past that 9. It's not quite at the 10 yet. Okay, the next one is it is 30 minutes after. So think about 30 minutes. Now remember we spoke about this is kind of like halfway. And so there's actually 60 minutes in this whole clock. So half of this is 30, and the other half is 30 more. So if you look on my clock, but you don't have on your clock, I have these numbers, and it says 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So it's half. So half of 60 is 30, and then the other side is the 30 more, which makes the 60. So it is 30 minutes after what? So using this clock, what is it 30 minutes after? 30 minutes after the 8, 30 minutes after the 9, 30 minutes past the 2. Which one is it 30 minutes after? If you said 9, you are correct. It is 30 minutes after 9. So now it is what? 30. Well, think about what we already written down already. It is blank 30. Is it 12:30? Is it 4:30? Is it 6:30? What blank 30? What will we put there? If you said it, you should put the 9 and make it 9:30. You are correct. It should be 9:30. And if you look on your paper, it is written in a written form, and it has the number word 9, and it has the word 30. That is another way we can write the time. Now, this part is talk about it. If you have your sister, your brother, your mom, or dad, you can pick them to see if you can help you talk about this part. But it says, do you agree? Why or why not? Buzz says that 9:30 is halfway between the 9 and 10. That's what Buzz says. So 30 minutes is the same as a half hour. So I want you to talk maybe to your parents, your brother, your sister. Talk about, do you agree? And then you need to talk to them about like why or why not. Because if you disagree, make sure you tell your person you're talking to why you disagree. And if you agree, then tell them why you agree. I'm going to give you time to talk about that. Okay, I'm going to continue moving on. Now we are at page 252. This one is the practice part that we're going to do together. So we're actually going to put this clock down. We're going to use our worksheet for this. It says these clocks show the same time. So remember, this is your analog and this is your digital.